Hi, today we're in St Pancras. We're going to do a little bit of shopping, grab a bite to eat, and someone famous is playing as well, so keep watching to find out who it is. Hi, so today we're at St Pancras. They're setting up over by the piano. I'm like, do I hang around or do I give you a tour? I don't know, what are your thoughts? Can you see over there? I'm like, who's playing? Should I stick around to find out? I feel like I have to now. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of St Pancras. I'll show you some of the shops, some of my favourites, and maybe we'll see someone play. So we do have famous people who perform on the piano. That was not the famous Elton John piano, this one is. The piano was actually donated by Elton John. So he has played the piano, Ed Sheeran's played the piano, Tom Odell's played the piano. I'm trying to think off the top of my head, so there we go. A little bit of information for you. This is where they put the Christmas tree in St Pancras. I'm really excited to know what Christmas tree they're putting in this space this year. I'm sure they probably don't even know yet. I mean, we're in July. I wasn't a huge fan of the Wicked Christmas tree. The year before was Hatchards Christmas tree, and it had books. I'll pop a picture in. That's the easiest thing. So I really enjoyed looking for the Christmas books, seeing like the snowman and books like that. Okay, let's get to showing you some of the shops. This is L'Occitane. I love their hand cream. Their products smell absolutely amazing, and a lot of them are so soft. This is a Belgian chocolate shop. Look at that Big Ben. The Houses of Parliament. That is incredible. I got a sample from that shop. Look, chocolates. They are pretty nice. And we have Fat Face. MAC. I find their makeup is quite drying, like it dries your skin out. I don't know, what are your thoughts? Let me know. I like Dior, and I also really like Chanel. Samsonite, so if you need some extra luggage before you hop on the Eurostar, you have an option there. Oh my goodness, their chocolate is absolutely amazing. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it, but absolutely incredible. Look at these huge chocolate slabs. So I used to work with a girl who would go to St Pancras for the day just for shopping. So it's not just a train station, it's a shopping destination too. If you're nearby, it's nice to come and have a look, but I wouldn't personally make a special visit for it. Oh, little chocolates too. I've never actually been in this store. I've been in the one, I think there's one on Piccadilly or nearby. It's on Regent Street. Okay, so this is E.L.N. Their food always looks beautiful. Very Instagrammable, I always think. Ooh, sticky toffee pecan bun is £4.50. I was like, I don't know, should we go to Paris or Brussels? But I chose Brussels. How cute is this? So I went for the ham and cheese croissant, and they warmed it up for me, which was super nice. That looks good. Quite nice. It has cheese all over the top as well, so it's very cheesy. Cheese inside, cheese on the top. I appreciate that. Take a sip, book a trip. Why not? Oh look, more famous people who have played the piano. Looks like there's some more down here as well. So over here we have Starbucks, we also have Pret, we have Marks and Spencer's, Boots, W.H. Smith's. It's very busy. Very busy. Shake Shack, Greg's, Oliver Bonner's, is that how you pronounce it? I always like looking in this store, but I never actually end up buying anything. I think I love the bright colours, and that kind of draws me in. $14.50. Yeah, I love all their little gifty bits. How cute is this bow? And then as we come out, you can see Marks and Spencer's, Boots, W.H. Smith's. There's also toilets down the back there. They've recently updated the toilets down the back. They also have some toilets down the other side as well. I have little lights on, but the lights never work, so you just have to go along and just kind of push the doors. It's always a long queue, but it's really helpful when they have someone there kind of pushing the doors. The queue definitely goes down fast then. Gales, and then we have the Thames Link. I like to take the Thames Link to London Bridge rather than taking the Underground. Absolutely beautiful flowers. Joe and the Juice. I actually haven't been to Joe and the Juice in, I don't know, maybe a year. This is their menu, so pause if you want to. Kate Spade, looks like they've just had a delivery. Up to 40% off their sale, wow. They have Calvin Klein. There's still no news over by the piano. Stick around or leave? What do you think? All Saints, let me know what you think. What would you do if you were here? Accessorize. I always think it's quite tight in here if you're coming in with a suitcase, as there's not much room around the stalls. Cute little London accessories. Oh dear, there we go. Glasses case, passport holder. It's nice because it's a little bit pretty as well. The tote bag is £20. We have the White Company. Love the White Company. The candles smell amazing. Hamleys. So if you don't want to venture into the large Hamleys flagship store, you can come to this one at St Pancras. Very noisy around here today. I have some souvenir items. I'm not sure I would come here for souvenir items though, to be honest. I think I'd go somewhere else just because of the price. But then if you wanted to pick up something last minute, perfect. Or if you wanted something that was Hamleys.
Yeah, it looks nicer. It does look nicer, yeah.
Harry Potter items. Paddington Bear luggage tag. How cute is that? That's very sweet. We have a Levi's. We also have a Hatchards. I'm going to be sharing a full video on the Piccadilly store. It was opened in the 17th century. Absolutely amazing. So be sure to keep an eye out for that video. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video so far, do as lovely things, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more London videos. Also share shopping, home renovations, reviews and vlogs. Chanel. looks like they sell perfume and makeup. And then you can change over your money if you want to on the corner there. I don't know what the exchange rate's like. Probably not the best. It's like if you leave it to the last minute at the airport. And then we have the Eurostar, so you can see quite a lot of people with suitcases, huge queues. So there's possibly going to be a train leaving soon. Marks and Spencer's Food. It's very busy down this section. I'm not sure how long we're going to stay on this one. The famous Colin the Caterpillar cake. These are amazing. Absolutely delicious. £4.25. So good. Oh, shortbread inside. It's quite tight in here, I think, because lots of people want to look at the meal deals over there, and then there's not a lot of room if you've got a suitcase. Not timed that well. That's the international arrivals. Try and navigate people with suitcases. Blank Street Coffee. I haven't had a Blank Street Coffee yet, actually. I've heard really good things about them though. Oh, this looks nice. Let's have a little look. Ooh, very nice. Their croissants look nice too. I'm trying not to get people in, but it's not the easiest task. Curiosities, they sell stationery and also cards. I can't think of the word for a moment. Oh, cute, Pant and Bear. So cute. Oh, I have this bag. Slightly different design. They're nice. I like the reusable totes. I collect them, so have an Australian one, lots of places in America as well. I think my favourite is my London one though, of course. Am I biased? Probably. Oh, they also have nice hand cream. And I'm very particular on the hand cream. It smells amazing in here. Absolutely incredible. This is nice. It gives me an excuse to go in some shops I haven't been in a while. Oh, these would make nice gifts. Oh, William Morris collection. Because where isn't William Morris at the moment? It's taken over the stores. We have Jigsaw opposite and Fortnum & Mason's, one of my favourite stores. So this is Jigsaw.
This is for your safety and security.
This dress is pretty. Obviously that's the back. I'll show you the front. And also if you go to the left, just here, that's way out, and it's also the underground as well. I love seeing the different Fortnum & Mason displays. What do we have here? G&T with juniper and a hint of cucumber. Shall we smell it? It's light and crisp. Have this tea towel, and I also have this tea towel. It has birds on too. Oh, maybe this one doesn't. Have a tea towel very similar to this one. I even have a St Pancras tea blend, which is $18.50. Oh, this is new, Knickerbocker Glory, and they have a new display at Fortnum & Mason's in Piccadilly as well. Maybe I'll have to show you that one. Beautiful picnic hampers. Well, that's not too heavy. £385, and that's what's inside. I love that they show you what's inside of them as well. £195 for the backpack. Again, that's what's inside of it. Oh, I like this. Look at this picnic blanket. It's £145. That is beautiful. I have this one. So you can create your own hampers. I love showing those at Christmas time. Or you can buy pre-designed hampers from Fortnum Mason. Next up is whistles. Oh, Joe Malone. Well, they have a seaside ice cream theme too. I love the London taxi. We have Hobbs. So there's lots of beautiful stores here. Toilets down there and a huge queue, absolutely like huge. So I wonder if it is that busy or people just don't realise you need to tap the doors. Oh, Italian gourmet sandwiches, bread and truffle. They make their breakfast sandwiches from scratch. The Breakfast Club, which opened last year, it was quite busy in there. Imagine it's quite nice if you want to sit down and have a little bit of a relax before you jump on the Eurostar. It has an American diner theme to it. At the end, that's the taxi rank. Going upstairs, look at these cute little booths. Ah, you can press for champagne. Oh my goodness. And they have a Pret, a Greggs and a W.H. Smith's as well. This restaurant looks lovely and they have a set menu, 2 courses for £25, 3 courses for £29. Here's the menu. If you want to pause, pause. If you don't, don't. You can even take your champagne to go. Oh, I see, that's also part of it. So the booths where you can press a button for champagne is also part of the same restaurant. St Pancras is such an impressive building, even from the inside. This is a statue of the poet who saved this station. He was an advocate for preserving Victorian architecture, which was often overlooked in favour of more modern designs. He ran a campaign that successfully secured Grade 1 listed status for the station and its associated buildings in 1967, just before demolition was set to begin. We will take a closer look at the statue over there. It was designed by the British artist Paul Day and unveiled in November 2007. It's called the Meeting Place statue, but it's often referred to as the Kissing statue. So my favourite shops to visit when in London St Pancras are Marks and Spencer's Food, Fortnum Mason's and Hatchards. That's my top 3. I'll probably come off and be like, oh, I forgot about this one. But yes, which shops would you go to first? Let me know in the comments below. And now we know the famous person playing was Lara Milder. London St Pancras. Thank you so much for watching. For more London videos, check out the place up there, and I shall see you over there. Thanks for watching. Bye.